Hi, I'm Riza Victoria of Axezoriz. Welcome back to my channel, and this video is all about the second part of Crochetquartermoonstitchbag. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, this is the right moment. Just click the square button on your bottom right side so you can get updates of my crochet tutorial videos. And I would like to thank those who subscribed and liked and shared my channel. In part 1, we end in the beginning of row 3. I continue on doing the rows until I reach row 19. I will show you the update, but first, let's review our road map. Remember that row 1 comprises the quarter moon stitch, row 2 half double crochets, row 3 we repeat row 1, row 4 repeat row 2, and then from row 5 to row 19 we repeat row 1 and row 2 alternately. At this point, I want to show you my progress. Day 1. From the beginning of row 3, I end up at the beginning of row 7. Day 2, from the beginning of row 7 up to row 19. Upon reaching row 9, come to the last quarter moon stitch. I need to add another row of tiny cord. I remember a friend who asked me to show her how to add or change color of thread. So I will take advantage of this opportunity to demonstrate it. Make a slip knot using the new roll of tiny cord, as so. This is another way of making a slip knot without the hook. Insert the hook on the last loop made. Yarn over, insert the hook on top of previous double crochet, insert the new loop made to hook as so. Pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and finish the double crochet stitch. Then make a knot from the tails of new tiny cord and to the tail of previous thread, like so. Then continue double crochet and so on. You may hide the tails later using your tapestry needle and your pliers. Our project at row 18. Another row of tiny cord at the beginning of row 19. Then repeat the procedure on what we have done in adding a cord. Then finally, row 19 is done. Next is row of slip stitches. Unlike with a brown bag, it started with single crochet. Let's see the difference once it's done. I used 6/0 hook to make sure that the next rows of slip stitches and single crochet are aligned and straight. To start, slip stitch on top of previous quarter moon stitch, then slip stitch on the same stitch. Slip stitch to next and continue until you finish the row. 3 rows in each side, such as this, is done. Cut the thread. On the first slip stitch. Then fasten off. Make another one. This time, leave a tail for sewing. It's time to assemble our bag project. These are the 2 D-ring attachments. The other one has long tail, obviously. Put the D-ring like so and sew it using the tapestry needle. I'm done sewing the D-ring attachment. Now it's time for handmade logo using a thread and a needle. And the last, the lining with the zipper. I will do a separate video for making a lining with a zipper. Our quarter moon stitch bag is done. The bag lining with zipper was attached using an ordinary sewing thread. I made sure that it will not be too obvious looking from the outside. There are 3 pockets on one side and 2 on the other. These are the 4 differences from the brown bag. The single crochet using the back post, and to make it look the same from where the quarter moon stitch started, I end it with rows of slip stitches. The D-ring attachment using the slip stitches, and the pockets inside the bag. I think that's it. I hope you like it. Till next time.